5 years ago today, Donald Trump, in his first term as president, declared an emergency for all 50 states. The reason, of course, the coronavirus disease 2019. It's more commonly known, of course, as COVID-19.
And it came 2 days after world health leaders declared a pandemic, meaning COVID-19 had spread across several countries and continents.
In the days that followed, communities, including Knoxville, turned into ghost towns as East Tennesseans started working from home. And that included the staff here at WBIR. Recently, we spoke with a group of reporters you may remember from 2020 about the challenges they faced.
I was actually just pulling up an old email that I had screenshotted that was sent on March 20th and said, by Monday, anchors will begin anchoring from home. Some will be in studio, basically single anchor newscasts. And so what I remember was, even though I worked from home during the week, I anchored our weekend newscast, and I would come in and it was already kind of empty on the weekends, but it was really empty when COVID started.
I remember this hit I did in the studio one day where I had before we all were sent home, I had a measuring tape and I measured 6 feet from me to Robin. And I was like, this is how far we're supposed to stay away from each other. Isn't this crazy? And then the next day we were all at home staying at least 6 feet away from everyone in our lives.
I remember specifically we were preparing for the SEC tournament that weekend. And one night, it was the night that, Rudy Gobert in the NBA got sick after he touched all the microphones, and everything started to get canceled.
We would hold up signs with our phone numbers and be like, call this number from across the street if you want to be on TV, because we weren't, approaching people to go up. So, the signs was, I think, one of the wildest parts.
All of us on this call interpreted COVID reporting very differently. Lewis and I went a little rogue. And I think to the viewers, they liked what we did. Somebody had to do the hard stuff, and that was Grace and Cole, and somebody had to do the fun stuff, and that was me and Lewis.
Yep.
And yeah, we all found our niche in this.
The memories.
Yes.
All of our friends are now busy working elsewhere here in Tennessee and across the country. You'll hear more from them during a special look back at the pandemic. It's streaming next week on WBIR+.